In front of me is DOOGEE Tab E3 Pro, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, go into Settings and scroll all the way down right away. Don't worry, I tested it, it will work. Because here you need to click on System and then Keyboard. Following that, select On-Screen Keyboard and then Gboard. Now it's time to click on Text Correction and manage all of those options however you want to, thanks to all of those switchers. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!